Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this looks like it needs to go down for an ABC of 4 before it goes back up to make the wave 5 to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we definitely have turned down a little bit on the weekly, but unfortunately we still don't have a breaker structure, so we cannot rule out the possibility of this going back up again. Eventually, I do think it needs to make a big downtrend for the wave C, but until it gives us proof, we don't really know for sure that it is going down. Going down to the daily time frame, so the trend is kind of down on the daily. We have been making lower highs, but technically we don't have a breaker structure on this move up right here. So this move down that we're currently seeing could be a correction to the last impulsive move up. So we need to watch our Fibonacci levels very closely to see if we get like an engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level. Taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame for now, I'm looking at this move up that we're currently getting as possibly being a correction to this last wave down. So if this move up right here goes to a Fibonacci retracement level and makes it a golfing move down, I definitely would continue to look for sorts. So taking that all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, looking at this move up, like I said, is possibly a correction to this move down. This move down definitely has 5 waves, as you can see. So more than likely, if this is a correction, then it's going to make impulsive up wave A, corrective down wave B, then impulsive up wave C, up to a Fibonacci retracement level. Then it most likely will turn with a big engulfing move to the downside. And if I see that picture right there, then that's definitely going to be my next entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. If it does decide to go up and break structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback. But until that happens, I'm still looking at this up move as likely a correction to the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.